Okay, coming in the front door, looking straight across. The windows have been installed. Door to outside. To the left you've got the mudroom, half bath. We'll check out the bedroom. All the windows have been put in here. Lost a lot of space with that mudroom. The bathroom. Okay. And back on across. Okay, take a quick peek in the garage. And the windows are there. Alright, quick look around the front. There's a load of brick in the garage. A little uneven ground. A little joggy walk here. And looking in from the garage. Okay, quick view of the side yard and then the back of the house here. Pretty much it.